Hello, welcome to my channel. So yeah, the fall has arrived now. The fall is here. Sometimes it's a little brisk in the morning and late in the evening, but otherwise it's still warm during the day. I'm still enjoying it, and I love that we had the fall early this year. And I'm so glad and honored to be able to show you a bunch of clothes. Want to haul for you and show you what I think about them and how they fit. So thank you for being here. If you're new, welcome. And if you're one of my returning originals, my OGs, I thank you for coming back. My name is Marie, and the name of my channel is Trendy Finds. And that's because I like to go out and find things on a budget and share them with you. All right then, let's get started.
Welcome to my channel, Trendy Finds. It's called Trendy Finds because I like to go out and find trendy items on a budget and share them with my life.
This is a quite comfy outfit. You can wear this sort of thing in the morning to walk the dog, or later in the evening when it's a little cooler out. I love how comfortable it is. Doesn't have any pockets, but I love that it's from my home state, and I think it's fantastic. I like it very much. I'm also wearing the silver and gold snake knot necklace that I recently purchased, and you will need help getting it on. It does not, it will mess with your real fingernails if you have it. So it's one of those that you're not going to get to wear that often, only when someone helps you put it on. And then of course I'm wearing the craftscafe.com earrings that I purchased that I absolutely adore. And I love this. I think it's great. No pockets, but you know, I guess if the pockets were down here, it would make a difference. But I think this is a size large, true to size. I'll put the size on the screen, and I really like it and highly recommend it. Quite comfortable. Got a little bit of fur in the inside, not much, but it's not the see-through. It's not see-through thin, so very comfortable. Quite comfortable indeed. Hello, hello. Love these pants. These are adorable. They took forever to get here, but they're here and I love them. They're gorgeous. I love the Halloween little background there in between the rips. I think it's gorgeous. I did not pair a necklace with it because I think it's got enough going on. I think this is perfect worn just the way it is. I've got some of my Temu black heels on, and yeah. I think this is absolutely adorable. I love this outfit. It's not a perfect match, but it's good enough. It's all right. Very nicely done. The top is a large. The bottoms are a large. And I'll put the sizes on the screen. The shoes are an 8. Dog. Very nice, very comfortable. Now you could probably wear these with a nice pair of ankle boots. Would look adorable with it. So yeah, you definitely need to get some of this. Oh, I think this sweater might be sold out. Hopefully it's not by the time I get this on screen. Lovely. How about a little fun? This has fun written all over it. Oh, well, actually, it's Chanel, but it's fun. With the short sleeve shirt, it looks really great. Put on a jacket over it, any kind, jean jacket. Actually, let's get a jean jacket. There we go. Nice jean jacket. Nice Temu jean jacket. I'll have to see if I can find the information on this one still. You can wear the button open or closed. But this is really cute. Very fun to wear it with some Halloween bracelets for some color. Yeah, I think it's right. I love it. It looks good. All kinds of possibilities with this. Now the pants are a little long, but not that bad. I'm 5'3½", so you figure there's an extra 2 inches, 3 inches in length on this. Got them bunched up a little, but hopefully they don't drag on the ground. But oh, isn't it adorable? And just in case I can't find this jacket, let me show you what the back of the shirt looks like, and with the jeans. Really cute, adorable, and cool. Very nice. I love it. I love it like that. Yay, baby. But yeah, this looks really great. I really recommend this. This is a very nice outfit. You could wear it with a belt if you wanted to. I don't wear belts with my jeans. But these are very, very comfortable and very roomy. So you got your pockets here in the front. You've got phone pockets in the back. Very nice. Temu jewelry, Temu Halloween jewelry, Temu watch band, and of course, craftscafe.com necklace. Earrings. Yeah, very nice. And Temu hair, not mine. Look how cute this is. I love it. Woo! I like how open the blouse is. You can wear any kind of a necklace with it to accent it. I like it because it lets me breathe, because I always run warm. These are another pair of jeans. These are completely different in style. These are the stretchy, skinny jeans. And they come down to your ankles. And I hope you can see the ankles. But see how cute those are at the bottom there with the bows and the pearls? Very cute. Fun. Another fun outfit. A fun, comfy outfit. This is how they look in the back, front. Very nice. Again, you can put a jacket with it. That's really cute. Nice. Pretty cool. And of course you can add on a purse. And this is nice and cute. It's just the right length so you can still see my jeans. And very nice. Now, if it were chilly outside, you could wear that. If it were chilly outside, you could pair it with a pair of boots. Now, because they're skinny jeans, you're not going to be able to, you won't see the bows. And if you want to be a little stylish, put on a pair of boots with them. You won't see your bows anymore, but the boots are adorable. Yes, those are adorable. They come in all colors. I was partial to the winter blue. That's what I like to call this color. Yeah, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Very nice. Love it. Very nice. You can tuck it in on the sides. Let the front and the back hang a little low, like that, or something like that. Some jewelry and some Temu ring that I also got on Temu that I adore. And yeah, just dress it up, girl. Go out in style. Really cute. I've also got this Temu shoes on. Now these shoes come in all colors. They're very comfortable. They're like wearing sneakers, I suppose. I love how the laces are like that with the little bling bling. So it goes really nice with my bling bling pants. Yeah, this is cute. Really nice. Very nice indeed. Starting to get warm in here. Very much. Wear a little bling bling, a little color for your outfit. Love my color rings. This shirt is an extra large, so it looks quite roomy on me, but it feels really good. I guess because I'm warm, so it feels good. I got my boots back on. Look at them snazzy little boots. Adorable. You just slip your foot right into them. Really nice. And then I've got my jewelry, and I'm all set to go out. I could tuck this in if I wanted to. I could throw on a jean jacket over it, but we'll skip all that because I'm very warm. But how do you like it? I love it. I like it. I really love the pants. I'm glad I got them. I have another pair of them. I'm not so sure how I feel about the pants. They're very thin. They have a fake drawstring here. No, it's not a fake draw. It's functional. It has a functional drawstring. You can tuck it in on the side and wear it like that. You can just let it flow easily. Very nice. It's nice that it's thin so you won't be sweating at any events. So very nice. And what I love the most about these shoes is that you can just slip them right on and you don't have to tie them because of the way the laces are. I love the bling at the end, and I think it's very stylish. I like them very much. So, yeah. You can pair it with one of your Louis purses. Shoulder bag, not a crossbody. Shoulder bag or a little handbag. But that's cute. Yeah, it look really good. A pair of heels, but you see, because the ankles are gathered, I'm not so sure heels would pair well with that. So I like it. Very nice, very comfortable. They have to be ironed. That's the other thing I don't like about it, but they do stretch. Yeah, they're very stretchy. All right, let's see what's next. We're going to Harvard, ladies. Yes, I like this shirt. Like how nice it fits. Very comfortable. Looks great with the jeans. Looks great with the boots. Looks great with everything. They only had this in this color from this particular vendor. I have seen others, but they're different vendors. But I like it very much. Very comfy. It's gonna be great for wearing around the holiday season. Yeah, perfect. My favorite sweater from Temu. One of them. I have an orange and white one too that I love. But this is my favorite right now. I paired it with some Temu jewelry. I've got those pants on again along with the Temu shoes, which are available in every color. They have laces, but you don't have to tie them. And they got a little bling bling at the ends. That makes them very nice. This is very warm. It is on the thick side, but not too thick. Very comfortable, very warm. I paired it with one of my, well, this is a Temu ring, and this is my Heidi Da's ring. I have a few of her rings from her collection. I used to shop on QVC where I purchased a lot of her jewelry, and I absolutely love it. I think that ring is gorgeous. And it's about 20 years later, and it's still gorgeous. I love it. But yeah, you can get all kinds of clothing on Temu. Every season, every taste. It's just remarkable what you can get on Temu, and so much more than you can get anywhere else, which is why I have so much clothing. It's thundering outside. We have a storm rolling in. I want to thank you for watching my video today. Let me know which outfit, or not so much outfits because they don't match perfectly, but which item is your favorite of everything that I've showed you. I have one more jacket. If I have time, I'll go ahead and try that on maybe in the morning. I am a little too warm. I need to cool off. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, you all take care of yourself. Be good to one another. God bless you, and have an awesome week. Make it an awesome